What's up, family? It's your favorite cousin back again, and welcome to day 8 of our 30-day adventure across this beautiful island. Today, we're heading to the parish of St. Anne, and it was a day of historical wonders and a little bit of bat drama. Our first stop was the legendary Green Grotto Caves. It was a quick drive from the Clock Tower Guest House on the main road. This place is steeped in history, rich and full of surprises. These caves weren't just for show. They were used by pirates and even runaway slaves back in the day. And rumor has it, there might even be some hidden treasures still tucked away inside. Now, before we went in, I was told that I couldn't record the tour, so I was only able to get outdoor footage. However, I was able to get some pictures, so you'll still get a peek inside. My tour guide gave us a little heads up about bats in the cave. She said if you look up, you should keep your mouth closed because of bat feces. Me being me, I thought she was joking. So I look up, and when I saw those bats, I was so surprised, my mouth opened immediately. I quickly recovered though, and learned something pretty interesting. Bat droppings are actually used for fertilizer now, but back in the day, they used it for gunpowder. The whole tour was just so interesting. After exploring the depths of the earth, I made my way to a place that's truly legendary in Jamaica and across the world, Mile Reggae Land. This is the birthplace and the final resting place of the king himself, Bob Marley. The grounds at 9 Mile were really well kept, and the tour was super informative. You really get a sense of Bob's life and legacy there. Now, if you're a big Bob Marley fan, this place is definitely worth visiting. Just a heads up though, it is a bit commercialized. I'm talking about 6 stores on the premises, and it feels like everywhere you turn, someone's trying to sell you something. But hey, for a true fan, that's just a small price to pay to be in such a historic spot. So there you have it. Day 8 in St. Anne was a mix of adventure, history, and a whole lot of good vibes. From the mysterious Green Grotto Caves to the iconic 9 Mile, we got a taste of some true Jamaican treasures. Subscribe to Uncover Jamaica for more authentic adventures. You don't want to miss what I'm getting into next.